Good morning, this is Marcus Brown bringing you today's market update. We start in the US, where newly elected President Donald Trump has started his term with intent by ripping up former President Barack Obama's proposed Pacific trade deal. Trump signed an executive order yesterday that will see the US withdraw from the Trans-Pacific Partnership Trade Agreement, self-professing the move as great for the American worker. It's been widely expected that Trump would seek to implement highly protectionist measures in his attempts to put America first, and with the announcement of a major border tax, the dollar reacted by dropping to a 7-week low against 6 major currencies. The new president continues to highlight his radical approach to economics, stating that he is willing to cut regulation by up to 75% if large producers kept their operations in the United States. In other news, the Supreme Court will deliver its judgment on whether ministers or Parliament can have a legal right to approve Article 50. The carefully constructed announcement will take place at 9:30 a.m. this morning, yet it is widely expected that whatever the ruling, the decision will not affect the Prime Minister's plans to begin Brexit talks before April. It is hoped by the government that recent developments since the case, including May's promise to give MPs a vote on Article 50, will mean that Parliament will not contest the Article 50 trigger. Sports Direct have announced a split from 3 of its largest brokers, stating that Liberum Capital will remain its sole broker for the foreseeable future. Over the last 12 months, the sports retail giant has seen its share price plummet and is currently trading around a third lower. In commodity news, BP has announced plans to start producing oil at its Thunder House plant in the Gulf of Mexico 11 months ahead of schedule. With the project costing $150 million under budget, the oil giant has stated that production at the plant has already started, and as a result, supply in the area will be boosted by 50,000 barrels per day. In upcoming data, 9 o'clock sees Eurozone manufacturing and services PMI for January released. 9:30, UK public sector net borrowing for December is announced, and at 2:45, US manufacturing PMI for January is revealed. Thank you for listening.